Right. So here we're seeing first-hand view of what this finished basement is starting to look like, which is just lovely. The bathroom's going in. We had to redo the shelf sizes because they were not quite right and big enough. I'll have to get after him because he turned the grain on the back wall because that's not supposed to be there. But it kind of looks okay because it's changing direction. And I love this whole first floor, and we start to see where we had to set the wires, well, basically the strings, so that we could level the floor. And there was a mistake. The platform up there is actually bigger than the platform here because of the stub wall, so we had to have the stair guys fix that. Just amazing. Full noses up, looking good. So I'm gonna take pictures as we go up. We have these are the notch outs for the elevator, and they have to be 36 flat on 35 and 5/8. But it's starting to look like a real house. We end up putting sheetrock underneath the stringers, and only the oak treads will be oak. But this is a beautiful, beautiful floor. Can't wait. Ciao for now.